know how everyone says that they're a team player? That is, until the first remote project lands in their lap, and suddenly your team's a tech circus. Slack pings, Zoom calls, Docs for notes, Notion for other things, Google something no one remembers, and that one guy who's still sending Excel sheets. I've been there, juggling tabs like my life depends on it. So I decided to find the collaboration tools that actually make teamwork work. After trying more tools than I care to admit, these are the 5 best online collaboration tools, the ones that actually saved me some time instead of stealing it from my day. So let's start with the one tool that basically replaced half my tech stack, ClickUp. It's your team's digital headquarters, the one place where tasks, chat, and docs finally stop living in separate zip codes. With ClickUp's converged AI workspace, you get docs for real-time writing, whiteboards for creative brainstorming, and clips to screen capture shareable videos and send them to your team directly. But the best thing about ClickUp is ClickUp Chat. It makes sure your conversations are connected to your tasks and projects, so you never have to switch tools or context while working. And when you need a quick team check-in, SyncUps make it easy to share updates via voice and video calls to keep projects moving. But what really sets ClickUp apart is ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete and contextual work AI. It actually understands your work. It summarizes long discussions, answers questions, and connects the dots across your tasks, docs, and chats. You don't have to hunt for context anymore. And for the repetitive stuff, you've got AI agents. They handle status updates, reports, and follow-ups automatically so you can focus on the work that moves the needle. With everything in place on ClickUp, you will spend 60% less time just searching for context. You'll also get to save at least 3 hours every single week. Isn't that just amazing? Second on my list for collaboration tools is Zoom. It's good for quick huddles, brainstorming sessions, or even full-blown client presentations. It's simple, stable, and built for teams that just want things to work when they hit join meeting. Zoom's AI companion is the unsung hero here. It transcribes discussions, highlights action items and next steps, and gives you smart summaries and chapters so you can skip to the good parts later. And because it integrates with ClickUp, those meeting summaries automatically land inside your ClickUp workspace. No more scrambling to remember who promised what. Sure, the free plan still kicks you out at the 40-minute mark, but honestly, that's just Zoom's way of reminding you to keep it short. Because here's a not so fun fact. 20% of meetings last over an hour. Now let's talk about GitHub, the digital playground for developers. If your team writes code, this is where collaboration happens. You can code, track changes, and ensure smooth engineering project management right here. And the star of the show? GitHub Copilot. It's your coding assistant that offers better code suggestions, easier repo searching, and an AI helper that can fix bugs and add features using the latest Claude models. But it's not for everyone. If you're not a developer, GitHub's interface can feel like stepping into the Matrix. Cool, but slightly terrifying. Still, for engineers, it's home. Next up, a designer's best friend, Figma. Figma turns design into a team sport. Whether you're mocking up a landing page or refining a product interface, everyone, designers, marketers, devs, can collaborate and live on this platform. You see, edits happen in real time. Comments pop up as you work, and prototypes come to life right on your screen. And now with Figma AI, it's even faster, automating repetitive design tasks like renaming prototypes and even bringing designs to life. The only downsides are the slow loading speeds on heavy projects and the steep learning curve. But for creative teams, it's hands down the most fun you can have while working. And finally, let's talk about Airtable. It looks like Excel, but behaves like an app. You can use it to build CRMs, content calendars, project dashboards, and more, all without writing a single line of code. Its AI agents quietly do the heavy lifting in the background, sorting data, generating summaries, even building entire workflows from prompts. Of course, there's a bit of a learning curve. You'll need to plan your database structure before it all clicks, but once it does, Airtable stops feeling like a static spreadsheet and more like a system that adapts for you. Okay, quick recap. If collaboration is what you need, these are the apps you can start with. But if you need everything in one place, your tasks, your chats, your ideas, your flow, without the work sprawl of too many apps, you need ClickUp. Get it for free at ClickUp.com and see what best-in-class collaboration actually feels like.